So Tanuki is so curious about our nachos, we're gonna let her lick a jalapeno pepper.
No.
You can't eat it. What?
No.
What
the hell?
She's going straight for the water. Oh, water!
What's Tanuki? I don't think she will. I think she's going to let it. Tanuki. Boy, you're a mean mother for suggesting that, Sandra.
You.
Tanuki. Tanuki. Tanuki.
Must have more water.
No, let her. No, you're going to pour water all over the place.
She's pulling it down.
Tanuki. Tanuki. Tanuki.
Lick the pepper. I'll get it for you.
Okay, stop that and let's give her some real water.
Wait, I want to see if she licks it again.